Hello, dividend executives. It is Monday, so you already know we are trading options and we're reviewing our plays from last week that expired completely worthless. Last week we had two open plays. We total a total of 3 contracts, and they all expired worthless for $28 of income, which was above our goal of $25 a week. So we love to see that, and that brings our total since we started this account on February 27th to $295 of options income. We are going to jump straight into the account, and we are going to get some trades in. Mara is struggling a little bit today, not too much, but we want to get some puts sold here. So we are going to sell the $8 put for 9, and that is going to bring us 18 right there. So we're going to do 2 of those. That's going to be $1,600 worth of collateral. Unfortunately, we do not have enough to do 3 of them, but 1, 2, there we go, $18. And then let's head back to the account and let's take a look and see. So we have 564 left available. You already know what stock we're going to jump into, and we are going to check to see we have enough to do we're probably going to do the 4.5, traded a little bit more conservative. It's only going to pay $3, but that's still $3 in the bank account. We could go a little riskier, and we could do the 5 if we think it's going to trade more sideways. But I'm going to play more conservative, 85% chance of profit. Let's look at the delta on this. Delta is a 0.14, so a lower chance of getting a sign. So we're going to throw that in here, and we're going to get $3 there. So a little bit less on the week here. I probably should have rolled and sold on Friday, but that's okay. The account is still looking good, and we are bringing in the income. Let's take a look at last week's trades. As you can see, last week we went over the goal, which was $25 a week, so that we could hit that $100 a month monthly goal. And we did $24 on Mara, and we did $4 on AMC with the 4-5 put. So you can see that 4-5 put is paying anywhere between $3 and $4 a week. Again, it's not a whole lot of capital, but it is money in the bank. If you look at it as a dividend, if we can do $3 a week on $450 in capital, I'll take it all day long. So today you can see the plays we just made, the 2 Mara 8 puts for $18, and then the 4.5 put for $3. Not a whole lot, but we still got $21 of income. So let's take a look at how our account is looking. So for the day, we're pretty much flat. For the week, we were up about $13. For the month, we were up $94, about 5%. And then over 3 months, we're up $295 or 16%. Year to date, I mean, we started the account, like I said, I started trading options back on February 27th. And we were at $1,851. And we are up to $2,145. We kind of talk about it every week. My goal is to be able to get to the point where I can trade TQQQ. The QQQ is my favorite ETF to trade on the big accounts. And we want to trade the mini version of that. So we are working towards that. It's going to take about probably $2,800 of capital. So we'll slowly get there, hopefully by the end of the year, unless the market continues to run then it may outpace us, but that's okay. So we play the small cap funds like Mara and Riot and AMC, and we have played SoFi before as well, but the premiums just aren't great right now. So we are just going to continue to trade those. These 3 positions are in, very similar to what we had last week. Last week we trade basically the same thing. We did AMC and Mara, both at the exact same strikes, the 8s and the 4-5s. So sometimes the stocks just don't move a whole lot, and we make the same trades, and that's the great part. So eventually we will get assigned on some of these shares, and we will sell the covered calls. But for right now, we have not been assigned, and we keep the income coming in. Again, 28 last week. The week before that, we did 20. So we're getting anywhere between $20 and $30 a week, which for an account this size is really good. And you can see just slowly over time, it continues to add to the account. 15% in the last couple of months, or in the last 3 months basically. And if we can continue to do that every year, we'll outpace 50% a year. So if we can do that, we're happy about that. But hope you learned a little bit here. Just selling cash secured puts every single week until we get assigned, and then we will sell covered calls once we do get assigned on some shares. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or any funds you think that I could trade with this amount of capital that would be better, feel free to drop it in a comment below. Like and subscribe. Happy investing. We'll see you later.